What's poppin', and welcome back to the channel. Today we are introducing to you a brand new box as well as a return of an MSTR classic, another continuation of the Champion series. This is the GT. So first up, we got the brand new MSTR box here that still dons that beautiful gold foil with the MSTR logo. That's gonna be on all sides as well. Pop that open from the magnetic door here. You're gonna open it and it has a bit of the Meister info here as well as a QR code to scan with your phone so you can get all the information on instructions for the new timepiece you just got. And this is the brand new Champion GT. So there's a lot of special characteristics about this GT. One of the things that you'll notice on here is there is brushed gold accents around it. And normally when we have the brushed gold, you'll find that we do polished gold pushers and crown. But this one in particular, we kept that brushed gold going along all of these, including where that Meister M is there on that crown. Now, the face of this watch, of course, has the numeric bezel on it, and that's got those brushed gold accents on top of that black as well. And looking into the face there, you've got that stark matte black in there with these beautiful polished gold accents around all of the numbers on there, as well as the polished gold hands of time and the rings around the subdials there. Now you'll see that down here you have that one that's moving. That is your second hand for the watch. So that tiny one that you see here is actually for the stopwatch, which is functioned by that top pusher. Hearing that click in there is actually really, really nice for me. You stop it there, reset it with the bottom one. Real simple. We've also got a date window in here down there at the bottom right.